Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum all of my friends. Welcome in KZ Kitchen. Friends, are you crazy about biryani? Also you want to make it home? Then you will have to learn how to make its special spice. So you could be able to make it at home. So let's start it. Special biryani masala by KZ Kitchen. Here I have ingredients and also a mixer jar. Let's see what are the ingredients. Here I have citric acid. Also I have green cardamoms, nutmeg, maize flour, anise flour, fennel seeds, dry coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon stick also, one large stick. Chinese salt. If you don't like, so you can skip this ingredient. 4 to 5 cloves, half teaspoon black peppers, and also lemon color 2 pinches or 1/4 teaspoon. Let's add these all ingredients in our mixture jar. 2 teaspoon regular salt, 2.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. We will mix these and make a fine powder. Let's grind it. Now it's ready and mashallah, it's fine and coarsely ground. Now biryani lovers can make biryani at their homes easily by watching my video. Okay friends, see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.